Great shot.
Thanks.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Right on.
That was
good.
That was powerful.
Ooh.
Perfect. Yeah. You and Mike are pretty. You and Mike are neighbors.
He's going like a champ.
Bomb.
Oh, my beautiful draw.
Kick left. The hill will help sometimes. There you go. Keep. And it's okay. You're still safe, buddy.
Go. Oh, it's like 4 feet. No way.
Like you get...
No. Oh, I hit it too hard again.
Oh, come on back. At least make it playable. Sit down, man.
Sit.
Like a wedge?
Just like a 56.
Yeah.
Dude.
Over that bunker and on the fairway, I think. You can get it a little bit further to the right. Nice. That's beauty.
There you go, bud.
Nice ball. Go, baby. Go.
Like made a line for you. Look at that.
Looky.
Oh.
Should have played.
Oh, get there.
It's okay, but now, dude, you should get a kick off the hill, bro, like everybody else did. No, yes.
I chunked her.
Must be some deep rough there.
Out of sight.
Well, I'm doing a 56 still.
I have an approach wedge. Just says A on it.
It's not a bad lie. We'll see. I'm gonna give it a little juice. Hopefully, it kind of flops on there.
Nice shot, man.
There we go. Nice.
That was real nice.
Too fast.
Whoa.
Oh.
This is the G3 here, Mike.
It's these par threes that get me.
Hit my 3. You could have full course like 4 times.
Still hit it there. Good shot,
Nice
bud.
shot.
Nice ball.
But I was in Calgary
You're
2
perfect, man.
weekends
You'll
ago.
kick a little right too there, bud.
Thing
Good shot.
called Launchpad Golf. Have you heard of this?
Nice ball. Get left. Bunk. Oh.
Oh, I'm
all
over.
right.
Yeah,
That's all right.
that's okay. Hopefully.
I'm right here. Check that out. Nice, buddy. I like the top roll there, Conroy. Good job, bud. Very nice.
Oh, it didn't get there.
Gotta DeChambeau it. Nice
Crack
ball.
a jack.
Wow.
Perfect, dude. That could be the drive of the day. You asked for it, you got it.
That was 4 great
Right
drives, guys.
as you did.
All 4 of us hit
Yeah.
a good shot. That was nice to see.
Thank you, gentlemen. Come back. Hit a tree. Come on.
Nice shot. You're going in.
Hey, Dustin, is this a two-tiered thing?
strain, Conroy?
Giving you the birdie
No, I
celebration.
like it out.
Get.
Good job on the bird, guys.
Nice stroke.
Very nice.
Holy
Get some
shit.
legs, man. It's all good.
Holy divot.
No worries, man.
Yeah.
Chip and putt, bro.
Awful.
Get in there.
Oh. Oh, I thought I was going to go left.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh, yeah. Beauty.
That was actually
Middle.
money.
Middle. Remember, it's downhill, so you're going to be.
Oh, yeah.
More-
Bounce, yeah.
Yeah, you're
I'm
fine.
past the first stick there, yeah.
You're first. Yeah, you're good. Wow.
Beaut.
Wow.
Come back. Oh, it's not bad. Okay, yeah. Shit.
Oh.
Oh, slow down. Oh, bit a little bit. Oh, you said downhill? Go, go, go! Shit. I knew it was going to go uphill.
It fools you, man.
You said downhill and it got in my head. Get there. Come on.
You're still going towards the hole. You're fine.
Yeah,
Safe.
That'll play.
That'll definitely play.
Chuck your...
That was a fucking divot, bro. I normally don't hit it hard like that.
Oh, come back.
All right, man. Conroy, do it too, bud.
Come back. Come on. Oh, yeah, nice.
Bring it around. There you go.
All right, I can live with that.
A little more, buddy. Go to your happy place, ball.
Good job today.
Come on, Conroy. No pressure. Yep, good read.
Oh, it's really
A little
fast.
Too high though.
Really fast.
I just had to hit it.